Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Millennial Money. Today I want to share with you the topic about living on $1,000 a month and dark side about it, because I do believe saving money is very important, but it brings as well some minuses, some like challenges, which I want to share with you, because I do believe a lot of people are not talking about. A lot of people are saying you should save, you should do this and so, but a lot of people are not saying like what it even cost you, right? With that being said, let's get ready for the video. You can support with a like or subscribe. And actually I'm this month sitting on around, like, I spent 800 euros, which is a bit less than $1,000, and I'm gonna share it with you, like where did I spend it, where I could be way better, and what are the pluses and minuses as well. If you are new on this channel is mostly about investing, creating some wealth, making some money. I started 6 years ago when I was 18, and every year I try to progress and improve my quality of life and just going extra mile, and you know what, I enjoy it. So if you are kind of similar person, you like to travel, make money, and like reading the books and kind of be a bit different than average person, like when it comes to like investing and overall like point of view on your life, you are on the right spot. So let's get ready for the video. And guys, I'm a bit sick, so I hope my tone of voice is gonna be alrighty, but it's Saturday late evening and trying to record some video. So don't get me wrong, saving money, it's nothing bad with it. Actually, that's how I started. Like years ago, I was financially uneducated, and my friend told me you should know how you spend, where you can be better, where you can save more, and so on. So I think it's good stepping stone, but you just don't want to be so crazy about it, because I want to share it, like personal story from the friend that I was talking with. He ended up making like a heck lot of money, like insane amount of money, like $1 million a year, just from nothing. Of course it was not from nothing, but it just seemed to me like from year to year he just, blow up. But there was many years of work and so on. But he told me that, Michael, you know what, it's not about how much you save every month, but it's much more about how much you make every month. And I actually switched my thoughts about it, because he told me that when you think that saving $1,000 a month it's gonna create some wealth for you, you are just out of your mind. Because what, you are gonna do this for 40 years until 65, 64, and then you start blowing up your money? It doesn't work like that. Of course it's possible, but you don't want to rely on that, right? Because we live in the moment, we should, right? You don't know if we are gonna be here tomorrow. So saving $1,000 a month or living on $1,000 a month, it's definitely doable. I've done it. But is it something you recommend, that I do recommend? Not really. I mean, of course it's better than blow up all of your paycheck, but I'm in the position, I'm focusing on making more money every year, every month, and if it's possible, I try to do it. He told me in a really good way, and it kind of opened my eyes. He told me, if you think there is somebody who can make $1 million a month, why you cannot make 10 grand a month? Because there are so many options these days that our parents, grandparents never had. But you can make way more money just sitting, behind the computer, do IT stuff and so on, or whatever. So there are options, and you don't have to take all of the money from all the other customers. You just need very small portion. So I started to understand there is plenty of money around us. It just depends who are they going to, right? So that's the first, that you have to understand the thinking that yes, you can be like saver, saving month to month every money, and you are not enjoying. But I can tell you, I done it, and I am frugal, and I didn't spend a lot of money overall, I think so, but every year I want to enjoy more and more, and it's natural, right? Because with progressing, you want to enjoy. And how do you enjoy? You have to pay for it. If you want to go for vacation, you have to pay for it. So money is important, even though a lot of people are saying it's not. Usually the people that are saying it, they don't have any money. They don't know what financial education it is. So I want to talk about it, because it just drives me crazy when I have so many friends and they are trying to just save every penny instead of thinking about how to make more. And no, they just settle down. This is my top, making a couple grand a month, and then that's it, which I don't agree. Of course, I'm not saying it's right or not. Everybody has different, point of view and so on. But I think for me right now, the best is to be saver, frugal, but be focusing more how to make more. If there is some good party where good people are going to, and they are my friends, I'm going there today, even though I spend money that I don't want to spend. Years ago, I would not, but I understand it. If you are very frugal, like some of my friends, they are losing so much because they don't go for vacation and parties and so on because they don't want to spend money. Now, being older, how I look into it, it's like I can meet new girl, new friend, new business partner. Of course, I don't push on it, anything like that, but you never know. I have a story from a friend of mine. He was on, vacation, met beautiful girl, and they enjoy it, and and whatever. It would not happen if he would be locked in his house, right? In his apartment. So that's how I think about money right now. And yes, in September I spent $1,000 and I'm not paying rent, so I'm lucky for it. I was staying with the parents since I just came from States, and I just blew up the money. I went for expensive dinner. My friend was, is about to be married next week, so we were partying, doing guns and four-wheelers and a lot of fun stuff, and yeah, spend a lot of money, but definitely worth it. So don't be like that I'm not gonna do this because of the money, because you don't know what you are losing. And I done it, so that's what I'm saying. Of course, firstly, focus on making or saving money. Like if you don't have any money, don't blow up them, right? But I'm talking about the position that I'm right now in, that I did kind of create some wealth, small wealth, right? So I can kind of take it more easy, and I do believe it's gonna bring me more in the long run if I spend more money today, like overall. Of course, I don't buy any expensive t-shirts, clothes or whatever, but just take it easy, with the saving and so on. Focus on making money. It's lifetime lesson, because Warren Buffett is the guy that be frugal, be frugal, be frugal. Did he get there because of being frugal? Maybe, but you don't create billions of dollars of empire with saving money, right? And you have to understand, every successful people, at least I admire or I know, they didn't get there because they were saving money. They did get there because they were right at a certain time, at a certain moment, maybe right connection, combination of hard work, and ta-da, and it happened. So it can happen to you or to me as well. And it doesn't have to be millions or billions, right? I understand I can make a couple grand of each thing every month, and it will just sum up. So I just started a business with a friend that it's not included in the $1,000 I spend because it's my personal finance. Then the business finance is different, right? So, take a risk, do stuff that you would not regret later on, that you would be like, I wish I did it when I was 20, 24, 25. I just figured out that being younger, you have to go out from the comfort zone and you have to actually take a risk in order to make something. At least it seems to me, or the surroundings that I'm kind of following, a lot of my friends that made it, they went extra mile in the moment that a lot of people will just stop. So power of persistence is very important. And I know the topic of the video is like $1,000, saving $1,000 a month, and dark side about it, but there is much more about it. It's about mindset and so on, which was great at the beginning. So I want to say, like, saving money and all these things are so important at the beginning, but once you get like some financial education, you get momentum, you made some money, now let's roll, let's try to figure it out. So I ask my friends, parents who are very successful, I send them message on WhatsApp every second day, and I don't care about it that I'm pushy, or I know they are not gonna write me, hey Michael, there's this business opportunity, you wanna do it? It doesn't work like that. There are busy, successful CEOs, so they are like, no option to meet them. You have to be very persistent, and I know I'm not gonna lose them because of my questions and so on, but I know I have to ask. And sometimes it's annoying, sometimes out of comfort zone, sometimes I'm like, what they are gonna think about me. At the end of the day, there is nothing better than young men like I am, or some of my friends who are highly motivated, who are outperforming, who are working a lot, who you can do business with, and all other things as well. Like me, once I'm gonna be 40 or 35 and I'm gonna be successful, and I would see young kid going extra mile and maybe not having any money, I would definitely teach him at least something that my help him in the future and so on. It's just so important. I just figured out it's so different. After a couple of weeks in business, I figured out who you know, how you know, what you do, and so on. It's just way more important than I was thinking. I was raised by old-fashioned ideas. You go for a college degree and you progress in your career and so on, which is true, but it's not for everybody. So may have it in mind as well. And let's talk about where I did spend the money. So mostly I spend money. I have here the travel, since actually I'm traveling to 2 countries, Slovakia and Czech Republic. So I spent like 130 euros, which is 150 bucks. Food 200, and then entertainment almost 300. Crazy. And there are some gifts and so on. My mom, she had a birthday and so on. So yeah, when I was living in Prague, I was trying to spend less than 1,000 bucks. And it was good. I did enjoy it because it was move like up. You know, I was before student, now I was making good money. So I was like 1,000 bucks, it's enough. But right now I'm gonna enjoy way more. And if I'm gonna spend 200, 300, 400, 500 more every month, you know, compared what I used to, it's good as long as it keeps me going. Because I figured out I have to enjoy more to see I'm doing better. Because I was doing better every year, last couple of years, but I didn't enjoy. I was just staying the same. But sometimes your body and your mind, they need, you know, fire. Because I think there is a fire inside, but you just need something. You need the gas to be put on the fire to keep it going or make it stronger. You know what I mean? So that's what I started to do. So saving is so important. Focus on it at the beginning. I always focus on, you know, saving even later on, but not that much. Now I'm focusing more on making money. So try to think about it in a different way. I think that might change a lot. With that being said, thanks for watching, and until next time, you can support me with the subscribe or like button. I appreciate, or any comment you can put just down below. Bye bye.